Are you looking for a powerful electric hammer for construction, renovation, or DIY projects, but confused about which one to choose? Some tools lack power, some drain batteries fast, and others can't handle tough concrete or drilling tasks. Today, I'm reviewing the top 5 best electric hammers of 2025, machines made for real power, durability, and heavy-duty performance. Number 5, SucceBuy 1400W Jackhammer. The SucceBuy 1400W Demolition Jackhammer is built for heavy-duty braking. With 2900 BPM impact speed, it's perfect for concrete demolition, road work, and foundation braking. It includes 2 chisels for different applications, point and flat. The ergonomic design helps reduce fatigue during long usage. If you need raw demolition power rather than a drilling tool, this jackhammer delivers outstanding performance. Number 4 to 36mm Brushless Rotary Hammer. This 36mm brushless rotary hammer drill is a cordless, powerful tool compatible with Makita 18V batteries. It features 2 drilling modes, giving you flexibility for wood, metal, and concrete tasks. The brushless motor provides strong impact force with better energy efficiency and longer lifespan. Lightweight design makes it excellent for DIY, small construction jobs, and home renovation. Number 3, Brushless Electric Hammer Drill 4800 IPM. This brushless electric hammer drill delivers up to 4800 IPM, making it powerful for drilling and chiseling. It's fully rechargeable and cordless, offering excellent mobility on job sites. With compatibility for Makita 18V batteries, it's ideal for both professionals and DIY users. Strong impact force, durable construction, and multiple functions make this tool a versatile rotary hammer. Number 2, EDOG 26mm Brushless Hammer Drill. The EDOG 26mm brushless electric hammer drill is a multifunctional rotary hammer designed for drilling, chiseling, and fastening tasks. The brushless motor increases power efficiency and reduces heat. It's cordless, rechargeable, and works with Makita 18V battery pins, making it convenient for existing tool users. Perfect for masonry, concrete, tile, and metal drilling. Number 1, YOFIDRA 2200W Brushless Hammer. The YOFIDRA 2200W Brushless Electric Hammer is the most powerful on this list. With 6400 IPM impact rate, it delivers exceptional drilling and chiseling performance. The brushless motor ensures high torque, long life, and stable operation. Its multifunctional design works as a hammer drill, impact drill, and screwdriver. Compatible with Makita batteries, it's the ultimate tool for professionals who need maximum impact force. If you want strong impact force, durable motors, and reliable performance, these electric hammers offer excellent value. Whether you're doing construction, renovation, concrete work, or DIY home improvement, there's a perfect option on this list. Which electric hammer do you like the most? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tool reviews. Check the description for product links, updated prices, and details. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for the latest updates.